Connecting GoHighLevel with Zapier enables you to automate workflows and integrate GoHighLevel with thousands of other apps. Here's how to set up the integration. Create a Zapier account. If you don't already have one, sign up for a free or paid Zapier account at zapier.com. Log into GoHighLevel. In your GoHighLevel account, ensure you're logged in. You will need API keys to connect GoHighLevel to Zapier. Generate API key in GoHighLevel. In GoHighLevel, go to the Settings section from the sidebar. Select API and generate a new API key. Copy this key for later use. Create a Zap in Zapier. Once logged into Zapier, click Create Zap to start a new automation. Choose Trigger App. Select GoHighLevel as the trigger app. You may need to search for it if it's not immediately visible. Authenticate GoHighLevel. Paste the API key you copied earlier when prompted to link GoHighLevel to Zapier. Set up triggers and actions. Choose the trigger and action. Follow the prompts to configure your Zap and map the fields between GoHighLevel and the other app. Test and activate. Once set up, test the integration to ensure everything works as expected. If successful, activate your Zap.